My name is Erin, and I play the oboe. And inside this box is a whole bunch of oboe reed making materials that I ordered, and I'm really excited to open it up. I ordered from Sandpiper Oboe Boutique, which is based in Toronto. It's run by a wonderful person named Melissa, and she shipped these to me really quick, so I'm super appreciative, and I thought I'd open them up. I'm using a surgical razor blade because I'm an oboe reed maker. Oh, it's like Christmas, only perhaps more useful. Wow, that's a lot of air. Appropriate for an oboe player. It's a box full of air. Get rid of those. Oh. Handy dandy receipts for tax purposes. Put that in the tax box. All right. Oh, look at this. How pretty. She has it nicely set up. Here, let me show you. There's lots of bubble wrap, but then it's so nicely, look at that. It's so nicely presented. And tissue paper, how fun. A little label that says Sandpiper Oboe Boutique. Let me show you. Oh, and look at that. Inside is like Christmas. There's a little bow and a little container in a kind of like a burlap sack with a blue ribbon. Look at that. It's wrapped just like Christmas. What should I open first? So I think I'll open this big one first. This says it's a ceramic sharpening rod. Now, I didn't know it was going to be this big. I ordered it for a student of mine. And I guess she'll have to have a big backpack. Oh, well, look at that. Looks kind of like a lightsaber. How fun. And it has a handy hanging tool to hang off the side of your reed desk. Well, cool. I think my student will really like that. And in this container, take off this blue ribbon. And inside, see how there's a nice label there? It's very professionally done here. Aha! A new Jende knife! Number one, I think I ordered two. I did. I ordered two! These are the old school style. Oh, I'm so excited. I know they have new ones. Oh, feel that? That is so sharp. My. Oh, I'm excited to make reeds. Oh, feel that. Oh, exciting. What else is in here? Oh, there's another little bag. It's like a bag inside a bag. A new swab. I recognize that sometimes I need to swab my students' instruments, so I wanted to have some of them forget for our hybrid lessons when they're in person. So there's a new silk swab. I thought it might make a difference too because my top joint is lined, so I thought I'd try the silk swab to see if it helps with water getting in my C key. So this is the last bag, and oh, it's like better than Christmas. This is so nicely wrapped. Well, what are these? This is a surprise. These clean reeds, and they're multicolored. I love them. Oh my gosh, I'm going to use these all the time to clean my student reeds that they hand back. This is awesome. Thank you, Melissa. I did not order that. Thank you, Melissa. What a fun treat. And I got my student another plaque because, you know, they all go missing all the time, don't they? They get left on a music stand and, ooh! And the last thing is two reed toppers. My students really love these on their reeds, and I will admit, when I'm feeling particularly festive or have a little extra time, I will put them on mine too. I try to always put them on my students' reeds because they really like them, but just so I can have a little special bling for a special concert. So thank you so much, Melissa at Sandpiper Oboe Boutique. And that was really fun. Thanks for joining me. All right, take care.